Hello, Brainies. Let's guess the Christmas movie by just looking at emoji. Let's see how many of them you guys can guess. Before we begin, please subscribe for Brainy Hub for unlimited riddles and quizzes. The first question. Home Alone. Mickey's Christmas Carol. If you are enjoying this, please do subscribe for more. 4 Christmas. Santa Claus. White Christmas. Holiday Rush. Daddy's Home 2. Deck the Halls. Bad Santa. Please share it with your family and friends, and also, please do subscribe to my channel. It's important to me.